Landscaping and tree pruning. I'm going to show you in here how to do the installation of mulch. Here, first you need to do the grading. See in here, we bring the soil down. Then because when we put the mulch will be even with the concrete, but it's not going to be on the concrete. So it's looking nice like that. Then another thing, you never put the mulch against the trunk of the tree. Has to be a little bit off because the mulch is going to keep constant humidity against the trunk of the tree and then of the bark, and then that could after 5 years, 4 years, it could rotten the bark of the tree. So never do that. Never when you put the mulch, never put the mulch on the top of the branches. No, you need to bring the branches up, put the mulch, and then let the branches come down. So that's the right way to do the mulch. This is called fine mulch. It's coming from cow blend. So I will recommend you to use the mulch. If you have a question, call me. See you the next time. Hasta la vista, mi amigo.